So we've got an 05 RAV4. We've got metal shavings in the pan, and we're intermittently losing oil pressure. Intermittently meaning every 5 or 10 minutes of running, but this is kind of like panning for gold. And there's some fairly large chunks down in here. We've got something inside the engine that's coming apart. I'm sorry, but this is not going to be a good ending to this story. You can see all these large pieces. So if you were panning for gold, that would be the mother lode right there. But that's not what we're looking for. Next, we're going to look at the screen that's on the oil pump pickup itself. Give me some light up on the engine. So this is the oil pump. This is the oil pickup screen. And we're taking this screen apart right now on the bench, and there is a bunch of stuff inside the screen. So RAV4 that's got the oil pan and oil pump debris, and the oil's been drained out of it, and there is our debris. And this is actually quite a lot. The oil pump screen being plugged up was pretty impressive. So we'll clean all this up, put a new gasket on it, put it back together, put the screen in it, and go drive it. Pull it apart and turn the pan upside down. There is the shit. And what's happening with this, we think, is all that crap is being picked up, pulled up into the screen, and then when you shut it down, pull them apart if you can. Over. I need those pieces separated. Okay, so all of this right here, this is all carbon and pieces of steel, but mostly carbon. And what this is from is lack of oil changes at some point in its life. The owner tells me the last 20,000 miles she's done it every 3,000. And that's absolutely excellent. But look at the amount of carbon that's in here. What's happening is all this stuff is being picked up and filled onto this screen. And so periodically that screen is getting plugged up, and then you shut the engine off, the oil flows back into the oil pan, it flushes that stuff off to one side, and then you've got good flow again until it covers the screen. So we're going to clean all this up, put it back together, and unfortunately we do have engine damage, and this is carbon that is caused by lack of oil changes at some point in its life, and this is another reason why we need to change oil more often.